Welcome to OBDSync. In this tutorial we're going through how to program a replacement power steering control module in a Holden JH Cruze. So first off, click the vehicle button and then head to the power steering control module tile. This will then load in the available options or display the licensing screen if you haven't licensed already. From here we can click on the flashing tab along the top and then head down to the right button. Before clicking right, make sure to have a battery maintainer fitted to ensure our battery voltage is kept high during the flashing sequence to ensure that we don't have a failed flashing event. Once we've done that and we click right, it will then begin downloading the required files and initiate the flashing sequence. The actual flash itself is under about 10-15 seconds for a calibration only right, and as we see that's now done and it's now flashed it all in. It's just performing the finalization routine. If it did need to do an operating system, this can take a couple minutes to complete, so that's why it's very important to have that battery maintainer fitted. Once this is now done, it will have a pop-up indicating that it's successful, so we can go ahead and press OK. We then head to the Learn Functions tab and we have our final sequence to do, which is our VIN Security Link, which is going to program the vehicle's VIN into that module. Go ahead, press go, and that will then program it in. It only takes a few seconds, and that's now all completed. Finally, we can head to the DTCs tab. We can then read and check if there's any faults, and we can also clear if there was anything there as well. After that's done, it's fully programmed to the vehicle and good to go. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.